This is a short video to let you know what we've been up to at Hack Club HQ over the past month.
So, if you haven't seen it yet, we ran a challenge to make the best game, website, artwork that you can possibly make using p5.js. I wish I could just take this video to show all the projects, but we had over 50 submissions. So instead, I'll just tell you, you should check them out for yourself at hackclub.com/challenge. I also want to say thank you to the Repl.it team. They got a bunch of their users to submit projects so we wouldn't have all the amazing posts if it weren't for them. They also sponsored the prizes. Normally, the end of the school year is this huge logistics problem for Hack Club. So instead of us manually reaching out and trying to get all the information, I've created a form that will let club leaders invite new club leaders and mark themselves as graduated. I've already sent the form out to at least one club leader at each club, but if you're a club leader and you believe that no one in your club has gotten the link, just let me know.
Finally, we've been rethinking how we want to fund Hack Club as a nonprofit. So far, we've been getting a lot of our money through grants and foundations, but we've decided we want to move towards something more sustainable. Think getting parents to donate on a monthly basis. To help with this, we've redesigned our donate page from the ground up. You can see the new design at hackclub.com/donate. In the next few weeks, we're going to be spending a lot of time figuring out how to ask for donations in a way that doesn't suck. Oh, forgot to mention, I also wanted to make a quick shout out to 2 hackathons that were run by our club leaders. Happy Valley was run by Lachlan out of Pennsylvania, and MakeSPP was run by Samay out of New Jersey. It's very meaningful to me when club leaders go off and start running their own events because it shows that they have gotten something out of the Hack Club community. So if you see them around, make sure to congratulate them for running such awesome events.
That's it for the Maya update video. You can let us know what you want to see us working on in the future over Twitter or Slack. And if Hack Club has had a meaningful impact on your life, it would mean the world to us if you can help it keep going by checking out hackclub.com/donate and either yourself or your parents or having someone just set up a monthly donation.